Most energy stock pumped in the pre-market. Are we gonna have a huge buying pressure and bull run for all energy stock for this month and April? And we're gonna discuss the other stock on our list like FRC and Oscar, of course. So if we go back and see what's going on, first we got ENDO jumped over 30%, now reversing back down. CI jumped almost around the $2, then went down. We got IMPP jumped around our resistance to 23 cents and went down, but still we still have 10% for IMPP, 10% for CI, and 27% for ENDO. So we're gonna discuss where is the support, where squeeze for them, and of course we're gonna discuss the other stock that been pumping for today, like GFAI jumped over 100%, NOGN jumped almost 300%, and of course FRC went near our resistance, the $15, and went down. Let's go back and discuss first ENDO. The price went near the $7. We already discussed in our picture on pre-market when we said the $7 should be our resistance. For IMPP, of course, we said the $23.90, which is our resistance that we tested in pre-market. And guess what? When the market opened, we got rejected and went down. So if we go back to ENDO, the price got near our resistance around the $7 or the $6.77 and went down. So what's the game plan? The game plan for ENDO, of course, we need to confirm a bottom or a support to have a continuation up. For my opinion, the $5.50 should be our support, and then the resistance to break is the $7.12 to go toward the $8.70 and then the $11. The other stock on our list is CI. As everybody knows, CI has been a squeeze stock before, but we go back in the big picture, we see that price has been diluted because we got many reverse splits. If we go back, last time we got the reverse split, it was around here, 2019, 1 to 25, then another time, 1 to 50, 2019 twice. And then after that, in 2022, December, we got reverse split 1 to 50. So you see how much diluted this stock has been going through. So we have to be strategic. Where's the support now and where the resistance? Because the price jumped and now we're still holding the gap that we did today. The $1.57 should be the support in coming days. $2.33 is our resistance to break. And of course, the $3.90 is the profit taking. So this is how we should play it for those kind of stocks, because they're still continue to go down. And if the price go higher, we might trigger profit taking and short sellers. So as we said, the $2.33 is our breakout zone. Profit taking is the $4. Next up, we got IMPP. The breakout zone is around the $23.90, already got rejected from, and the support, of course, the bottom is around the 15 cents, and the support that we should hold is the 18 cents. So if we hold the 18 cents, we're gonna have a continuation and breaking the 24 cents to go toward the 30 cents. Next up, we got SOUN. Oh man, this one getting near every second to our breakout zone. The breakout zone should be around the $3 to go toward the $3.40, and the support is the $2.30. GFAI. This one is scary. A lot of you got scared of this one. No, I think this one. NOGN, yeah. A lot of you got scared of this one. Already discussed in our live streaming when we said the 19 should be our resistance. We got rejected below that around the 18. So now the 18 is our breakout zone to go toward the 20 and over, and the 12.33 is our support. On the other hand, NOGN jumping almost 300% for today. Now it's just 129. We got a huge sell-off when we hit our resistance around the $10 psychological level. And actually it hit our level of resistance when we did our live streaming. That's why we suggest never enter above the $10 or even just below the $10. You just take your profit. Now we need to hold over the $5.33 to confirm a breakout next time for NOGN to go higher once again and squeeze. So watch out for this support to confirm a breakout and reversal. For FRC is still have a resistance around the 15 or around the 1490. We got near this level of resistance when we did our live streaming, but the price wasn't ready to go high once again because the volume was light. So what we said, we need to hold over the 1370 in order to confirm that we don't have a sell-off. That's why the price reversed now and now continue to go toward the squeeze area, the 1490. We might see a power hour for FRC. We're gonna do a short analysis update for it, of course. Lastly, we got Oscar. Oh man, this one is really tricky play because we got rejected before around the 7. We went down and we were watching this stock for a few days. And now we broke once again from the $6.70 and we said this is our support. The price went up. So the $7.10 is our breakout zone. The $6.70 is our support. And we might have a power hour for Oscar, so watch out for this stock. It's pretty volatile. We might have the $8 or around the $7.80 profit taken. So now is 5%. The volume is a bit light, like many of you said. So we have to watch for picking up in the volume wise because now it's just 3 million. So we have to watch out for the $7.10 to go toward the $7.90 and holding a current support over the $6.70 to have this reaction. Of course, we're gonna do live streaming tomorrow and pre-market before the market open to prepare for the stock that to squeeze like FRC and the other energy stock. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.